This is for you, Dad. Episode 5, Social. You showed up and I will never forget it. There was a moment, maybe you do not even remember it, where you showed up for your child when you did not have to. You rearranged your schedule. You drove across the city. You sat in a tiny chair at a school play and clapped the loudest. Your child remembered it forever. This episode is for you, Dad, the one who shows up. I want to tell you something your children may not be saying out loud yet. Every time you choose them, they feel it. Every time you put the phone down and look them in the eye, they feel it. Every time you come to the game, the recital, the graduation, the conversation, they feel it in a place so deep that it becomes part of how they see themselves. A child whose father shows up grows up knowing they are worth showing up for. And that belief, that deep knowing that they are worth it, follows them into every relationship, every career, every challenge for the rest of their life. You are not just attending events, Dad. You are building identity. You are saying, without words, you matter. You are seen. You are chosen. Every single time. And to the dad who is not physically with his children right now, whether distance or circumstance has made presence difficult, I see you too. And your love still counts. A voice note, a phone call, a letter, showing up from across the ocean is still showing up. Do not stop finding ways to let them know you are there, because they need to know. You are not just present. You are a 7D father, and your social dimension is changing lives, including ones you do not even know about yet. Close. Keep showing up, Dad, even when it is inconvenient, even when you are tired, because every time you do, you are giving your child the greatest gift, the gift of knowing they are worth it. Happy Father's Day. This one is for you.